Chakra is created by combining two types of energy: spiritual energy from the mind and physical energy from the body. Together, they form the fuel that ninjas use to perform their abilities. To use chakra effectively, one must master chakra control. Basic chakra control includes walking on walls, walking on water, or simply not wasting chakra mindlessly. Advanced chakra control enhances strength and speed, and also helps a person perform medical ninjutsu. Chakra reserves vary between ninjas, affecting their ability to perform jutsu. One can improve their chakra reserves through training, but genetics play an important role as they determine one's potential. Even though Lee trained more than Naruto, he was not able to surpass Naruto because Naruto is from the Uzumaki clan. A person who runs out of chakra will die. Chakra flows through special networks in the body called the chakra pathway system. Tenketsu are specific points along the chakra pathways where chakra can be concentrated or released. Each person has 361 tenketsu. Some techniques, such as gentle fist, can close or block chakra points. The 8 gates are 8 specific chakra points in a person's body that regulate chakra flow. Without the 8 gates, the chakra would be too intense for the human body to handle. Opening these gates allows a person to greatly enhance their physical abilities, but comes with severe risks like injury or death. Hand signs help focus and mold chakra into a particular form for different techniques. Each sign corresponds to a different animal from the Chinese zodiac, and combining these signs in various sequences allows ninjas to perform different jutsu. Hand signs are like ingredients in a recipe. Each sign is an ingredient, and when combined in the right order, they create a jutsu, the final dish. Chakra is the heat that cooks the ingredients into a jutsu. More complex jutsu require more signs, like how complex dishes need more ingredients. Skilled ninjas, like master chefs, can use fewer signs or none at all to create the jutsu faster and more efficiently. Chakra natures. Chakra can be shaped into 5 basic elements: fire, water, wind, earth, and lightning. Fire chakra is all about power and destruction, turning chakra into flames. Wind chakra is sharp and cutting, focusing on precision and slicing power. Lightning chakra focuses on speed, piercing ability, and electrical current. Earth chakra is defensive and sturdy, focusing on manipulating the ground or creating solid structures. Water chakra is fluid and adaptable, used to create and manipulate water for offense or defense. Each ninja has a natural affinity for one of these 5 chakra natures, making it easier for them to use and master jutsu of that element. However, ninjas can train to learn additional chakra natures, though it requires significant effort and time. Chakra natures have a cyclical relationship, where each nature has a natural advantage and disadvantage over another. Some individuals have the ability to combine 2 basic chakra natures to create a more advanced one. For example, by combining fire and earth, one can obtain lava release. I'll explain more about this in a moment. Types of jutsu. Jutsu is a technique molded by chakra and released through hand signs or other methods. There are 3 main types of jutsu. Ninjutsu refers to a wide range of techniques that utilize chakra. Elemental jutsu, techniques based on elemental chakra natures. Transformation jutsu, changing form or disguising oneself. Summoning jutsu, bringing creatures or objects from another place to the battlefield. Genjutsu, a type of jutsu that manipulates the target's mind, creating illusions by disrupting the target's chakra flow to the brain. Instead of causing physical damage, genjutsu alters the victim's senses, making them see, hear, or feel things that aren't real. It's often used to deceive or control an opponent. Breaking genjutsu typically requires disrupting one's own chakra with pain or an ally's help. Taijutsu, physical combat techniques that focus on martial arts skills. It does not rely heavily on chakra, but can incorporate it for enhanced strength and speed. Kekkei Genkai. Kekkei Genkai are special abilities that only specific individuals inherit through their genetics. These abilities are unique to certain clans and cannot be learned or copied by others outside the bloodline. Kekkei Genkai come in different forms. Elemental fusion, combining 2 basic chakra natures to create a new, more powerful element. For example, Hashirama combines water and earth to create wood release. He could do it because of his genetics. If Kakashi tried the same, he would fail, even though he can use both water and earth elements. Dojutsu. special eye techniques passed down within certain clans. For example, the Sharingan is limited to members of the Uchiha clan. Unique physical abilities. These provide unique physical traits or transformations, almost like a mutation. For example, Kimimaro can manipulate his bones. Kekie Tota, a combination of three elemental natures. An example is dust release, created by mixing earth, wind, and fire. Kekie Mora, unique to the Otsutsuki clan. Simply put, every ability used by Kaguya falls into this category. There are exceptions where individuals acquire Kekie Genkai despite not being part of the original bloodline. However, these instances often come with drawbacks or limitations, because the individual lacks the proper genetic heritage to fully harness the ability. Orochimaru attempted to replicate wood release by implanting Hashirama's cells into other individuals. Most couldn't survive the powerful Senju DNA, and those who did had weak combined two basic chakra natures